Hello, my name is Chris Walters, and I've very much enjoyed my time here at Amity, working with the students, putting on a production, getting to know lots of amazing people. It's been a real pleasure. Actually, I don't have a career in theatre. My career has always been in education, as a drama teacher. How I got started was at my college near Oxford. I started there as an English teacher, but after 1 year, we had to choose a subsidiary subject. And more or less at random, I chose drama. And the very first time I stepped into a drama studio there and sat down in a circle, and we began the first improvisation exercise, my jaw nearly hit the floor because I had never seen anything like this in my life. It was magical. And I determined then that if I possibly could, and it wasn't easy, that I would become as a drama teacher.